An instructional video on thin layer chromatography by Christy Cook. Caution: gloves and goggles must be worn through the entire thin layer chromatography process. Step 1. Setting up the developing chamber. You will need to obtain the following materials: a 400 milliliter beaker, a round filter paper, a solvent of choice, and a watch glass. Place the round filter paper inside of the beaker. Make sure the filter paper is flush with the inside wall of the beaker. Soak the filter paper using a squirt bottle full of your chosen solvent. Allow the beaker to fill up about 0.5 centimeters from the bottom. Step 2. Preparing the TLC plate. Warning: handle TLC plates with care so there is no disturbance of the silica gel covering. Obtain a TLC plate. Draw a line gently with a pencil about 1 centimeter above the bottom of the plate. On this line, draw an X where each spot will be made. One spot will be for your diluted product sample. The other spot will be for your controlled sample for comparative purposes. Step 3. Spotting the TLC plate. Caution: a spot that is too concentrated will result in a smear or streak. Dilute the product sample by adding a few drops of solvent and mixing. Obtain 2 glass pipettes. Place the end of one glass pipette in the diluted product sample to extract the fluid. Touch the end of the pipette gently on one of the X's previously drawn. Repeat this process using a clean glass pipette and the control sample. Make sure to note which spot coordinates with each sample. Step 4. Developing the TLC plate. Place the prepared TLC plate upright inside of the beaker. Place the watch glass on top of the beaker and monitor the progress. Once the solvent front is about 1 centimeter below the top of the plate, remove the plate and immediately draw a line with the pencil at the solvent front. Step 5. Visualizing the spots. Warning: UV light can be damaging to eyes and skin. Place the TLC plate under a UV lamp. Mark the spots gently with a pencil. You have now been provided a way to study and monitor intermolecular forces, find the retention factor and theoretical plates, and compare your diluted product sample with a controlled sample. The end.